So in North India, Bhakti movement started from 1400 AD onwards. In South India, it began from 6th-7th century, then further extended by Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, and the Bhakti movement was began by Alwars, Sant and Nainards. Nainards means Saivites, Alwar means Vaishnavites. So this is how you have to understand the things, okay? So in 14th century, you see Kabir Das, Sur Das, Tulsi Das, Guru Nanak Dev, Meera, Chaitanya, Narsi Mehta, then Samarth Ram Das, then Eknath, Namdev. So all these played important role in the Bhakti movement throughout North India. And the most important feature of Bhakti movement we have discussed in the class. What was the most significant feature? Use of regional language. So all they would be writing in their regional language. And that's why it became very popular. The socio-religious reform movement, which was started in 19th century. One question was this time, from here, socio-religious reform movement. Question was related to Jyotiba Phule. So 19th century movement, it was started by Brahm Samaj in the beginning. So Brahm Samaj, Arya Samaj, and then depressed class movement also hai. Akali movement also took place. So, so depressed class movement, Jyoti Rao Phule in Maharashtra, and then that would be extended by B.R. Ambedkar and then Periyar. So one question this time means from here only. Getting the point? So even you don't have that much idea about, a very in-depth idea about Jyoti Rao Phule, you would have written this question easily because all the informations are there in NCERT books. He established first girls' school in Pune with the help of his wife Savitri Phule. So one information. So education related work. Then he established Satya Sodhak Samaj. Satya Sodhak Samaj. So it was a kind of a platform from where discussion, debate would be taking place. Grievances would be rose. And then he also came with writing of Gulamgiri, very famous book. So the question was that this man, Jyoti Rao Phule, he touched all the subaltern classes, So on the very first day we discussed different schools of history writing. Subaltern means subaltern historiography we have discussed now. Who was the champion of subaltern historiography in India? पढ़े थे ना? पढ़े थे नहीं पढ़े थे? 3 क्लासेज हम लोग बेसिक पे किए थे. अब तक क्लास खत्म हो गई होती. 3 क्लास मैंने इसलिए दिया था कि वहीं क्लियर हो जाए सब कुछ. नॉन एलिट, सबऑर्डिनेट, नॉन एलिट. सो मीन्स स्टोरी ऑफ suppressed people, downtrodden people, So he touched the problems of women, he touched the problems of lower class, caste, better to say, he touched the problem of depressed class. So all subaltern, widows means women. So all the subaltern classes of the time got voice, their voice in his contribution. तो यही क्वेश्चन आया था. एनसीईआरटी में जितना इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसके आधार पर आप लिख सकते थे. करना क्या था? एक आपको इंट्रो बनाना था सुंदर सा, और फिर कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फूले, है ना, इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ वीमेन, इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ डिप्रेस क्लास, इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ लोअर कास्ट. तो यही बताना था और साथ साथ इसके जोड़ना था सत्य शोधक समाज, गुलामगिरी एंड इंस्टीट्यूशनल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन. और फिर नीचे आ जाते लिमिटेशंस लिख देते. क्या लिख देते? कुछ लिमिटेशंस. और फिर आ जाते हैं सिग्निफिकेंस. सिंपल था, 250 वर्ड्स में लिखना था. एनसीईआरटी इज हैविंग एवरीथिंग विच इज नीडेड टू क्रैक यूपीएससी. ये समझ में नहीं आता है तो हम भागते हैं, कंटेंट कलेक्टर बन जाते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर की जगह पे. सब कुछ है, बस ये है कि आपको यू मस्ट हैव द टेक्निक, हाउ टू ब्रेक डाउन द क्वेश्चन, हाउ टू गेट द डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस. तो ऐसे आपको करना है, ठीक. PDF is not going to work. एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा ना, पीडीएफ से काम होगा नहीं होगा, एआई से काम नहीं होगा, क्योंकि एआई से तब काम होगा जब आप एग्जाम दे के आ चुके होंगे। वहाँ तो एआई अलाउ है नहीं, वहाँ यही एआई है, इसी पे आपको भरोसा करना होगा। गेटिंग द पॉइंट।